So today we're going to tackle a common problem on the Mark III Galaxy, which is the handbrake cable snaps, which means that you cannot, for the life in you, you can't release the handbrake because the cable is snapped. So today we're going to tackle that. Okay, so we start with prising off this part of the handbrake, just the handbrake lever. So if we work in these corners here, okay, so work there, and there, same on the side, and you should be able to just prise. So once it's removed, there's the other side of the handbrake mechanism, the handbrake lever, and as you can see, it's snapped there, just there. Okay, so we need to replace that. Next, we remove this outer casing here. Okay, all this here, quite simple. You just have to get in behind here with a trim removal tool. Okay, just peel it off and then just work your way around here. Be careful not to snap the lugs, the plastic lugs. Right, so that just comes off there and then it just pulls off like so. Alright, so that's off. Then we have to remove the other side of the gear stick lever gaiter. So just some lugs there, you can see just there. Lugs, one there, one just down here, and then two on the other side. So you just work them loose, just finger pressure, okay, and that should just come away. Alright, and then we just remove that out of the way. The next step is to remove this part of the handbrake lever mechanism. So you've got 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are Torx T20, so let's get them with those 4 screws removed. We should be able to just prise this off. So just prise it off, okay, and that's it, and then just remove it from carefully out of the way. Okay, so with the center console and handbrake trim removed, we can see what the problem is, and the problem is, I don't know if you can see this notch here. Okay, I'll get in closer. This notch here, there we go, that one. So that's the one that's actually released and moves forward when the handbrake button is pressed, which releases the handbrake lever, lowers it. Okay, obviously because the cable's broken, that won't move forward. We can manually move it forward, but I won't do just yet. And that is why we need to fix the new cable, so we can move that forward when the button is pressed. Okay, so the next thing now is to remove the center console part here. Okay, so we get easy access to the handbrake mechanism and all the gubbins in this area here. We'll obviously get them from this side. Okay, to remove this center piece, what we need to do is remove 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws, and then we should be able to just lift out and prise off the center console part here. Okay, with the console now removed, okay, what we need to do is feed in the new cable through the handbrake. So just feed it in through here at the top. Okay, feed it in, and the key is to make sure it comes out on this side of the nylon wheel. So at the top there's a nylon wheel here, if you can just make that out. So look, there we are, there's the nylon wheel. Let's focus in on that. Yeah, there's an nylon wheel, and the cable needs to come out at the top, not underneath. So bring it out around the top, and then you feed it through. Once fed round the nylon wheel, then we need to feed it in through the channel just there. Okay, feed the wire in through the channel, okay, which is just there. Okay, feed it in, and then it should come through on the other side here. Okay, so what I've done is I've included the original video from X8R, which shows you how this is done. So you feed it through the channel, okay, and then you pull it through, okay, and you make sure that you feed the wire through the little gap, little hole. Then you're going to tighten that up later on. So what you do is you put this on, and this obviously comes out onto the right hand side. You put the nut through, the bolt through first on the right hand side, okay, and then on the other side you put the nylon nut. Okay, so you get the nylon nut, put that on, all right, and then obviously you just tighten that up to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, and that, like I said, that so the Allen key's on the right hand side, and you're tightening this up on the inside. Okay, when you move it, it should basically work like so. Then what you do is you put the other end of the cable onto the back of the handbrake lever, so the handle you took off earlier. Okay, and you clip that straight back down and onto the handbrake lever itself. Okay, so the handle, clip it all back down, make sure the cable's in, and then you just clip it into place like so. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is fit the screw that holds the handbrake cable in position and tighten that up. So what you need to do is push the button on the handbrake lever, and that'll then hold the little adapter away in the open position, and then you tighten the screw. Every time you press the button, the adapter should move and release the lever. Okay, moment of truth. Right, so the handbrake is up now. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Done. Perfect. So there you go. Fantastic. Just put it all back together again now.